It plays soccer! It plays soccer, look! Hurry up, dude!
It'll get a run up. Oh, if the ball stops rolling. Oh,
Oh, so cute! Oh,
oh.
little lamb. Come on, you can
He
do it.
gets a run up and it's so cute.
What happened? Watch. Lemmy.
He plays soccer, it's so cute. He does it so much and it's so cute. Maybe he won't do it for you, David.
Yeah.
Oh, David, you distracted him. He's not in the zone anymore. But look.
Oh, hold on, there you go. Ah!
Look, he'll get a run up. He backs up, and he's like, yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
He's being this little kid.
I'm afraid he's like gonna get little lammy concussion or something. Because I know it's pretty soft, but actually he won't. That's too soft.
It's too soft. Keep on going, because I'm going to go get my phone and record this.
He'll do it for ages. I think Lemmy's found a new hobby. Why does it start rolling all of a sudden? It wasn't before. Go on. Lemmy. Go on. Go on.
Maybe we should stop for a little bit.